Papua New Guinea's 2026 national budget, a massive 30.9 billion kina, was officially presented in Parliament yesterday, Tuesday the 25th of November, 2025. The Marape Rosso government says this year's budget is built on security, growth, and responsible economic repair. But what does this really mean for ordinary Papua New Guineans? Before we break it down, hit the subscribe button to stay updated with PNG politics, economy, and development stories. Treasurer Ian Ling-Stuckey told Parliament that the 2026 budget focuses heavily on improving security, strengthening law and justice, boosting healthcare and education, and investing in infrastructure. He confirmed that the full budget is available on the Treasury website. Law and Justice receives a 9.6% increase, bringing total funding to 2.498 billion kina, supporting the target of expanding the police force to 10,000 well-trained officers. Fuel for police, defence catering, and court cases rises by 42%, totaling 158.9 million kina. Infrastructure spending reaches a record 10.8 billion kina, with the Public Investment Program, PIP, contributing 7.7 billion kina, including major works under PNG Connect. The health sector increases by 15.8% to 3.2 billion kina. Provincial health authorities gain an extra 87 million kina, medical supplies increase by 25 million kina, and funding for critical vaccines rises by 40%. Church-run health services also receive a 22% boost, with Catholic health services allocated 258.9 million kina. Education funding grows by 11.3%, reaching 4.93 billion kina. Over 500 million kina supports teacher salaries, and 45 million kina is allocated for school fee assistance, bringing the total school support package to 904 million kina. According to the Treasurer, revenues are now growing faster than expenditures, which is key to repairing the budget. PNG's budget deficit falls from 8.9% of GDP in 2020 to 1.1% projected for 2026, putting the country on track for a budget surplus in 2027. For the first time since 2011, PNG records a primary budget surplus of 1.4%, signalling stronger debt sustainability. Debt levels fall from the 2021 peak of 52.6% of GDP to 45.5%, with a projected drop to 42% in 2027. Revenues rise to 29.3 billion kina, exceeding medium-term revenue targets 1 year early. Importantly, this was achieved without introducing new taxes, but through improved non-tax revenues from Kumul Petroleum, Kumul Minerals, and statutory authorities. PNG also marks its 6th straight year of non-resource sector growth above 4%, with 4.5% expected in 2026. With a population growth rate of 2.6%, the government says living standards are beginning to improve. A 1.01 billion kina relief package has also been included for struggling families, with more information to follow. Treasurer Ling-Stuckey said the 2026 budget proves the Marape Rosso government's economic credibility, with international partners and ratings agencies recognizing PNG's progress. Subscribe, stay updated.